Hi guys, so we've got another little Zoom tutorial for you here. If you go on the little web client app thing that we'll probably have downloaded when you've used your PC and let that just pop up, click on your profile icon in the top right and then go down to My Profile. It then opens up in the web browser. This top line here where we've got Lisa Rock Project, that's your screen username. It doesn't matter what you've signed up for the account in. This doesn't affect the account. What would be really nice if we could have student names in there. So maybe first name of student as for first name so that we can identify people. And then in the second box, we were kind of thinking something like your rock star name. So we've got Lisa Rock Project, or you could have Lisa Flash, or Lisa Rockstar, or Lisa Guitar Hero, something like that in the second box. On phones, it's a little bit simpler. Just go to your phone app, press settings, click on your profile name, and just below there, you'll see your display name. Just simply change it and go back to the main app.